Hi, Piper. Looks like you're supervising the office again. Yeah, look at that. Looking all over. Make sure everyone's doing their job properly. Yeah, that's what an office manager does, huh? Among other things. Yeah. Oh, and you're doing tail sit-ups too. Very good. Yeah, you demonstrate the importance of exercise along with managing the office. Yeah, not many office managers would do that. You must really care about your fellow workers to share your health tips with them. Look at that. So inspirational. Everybody should have an office manager like you. Look at that. She's just on the alert all the time. You do such a good job, Piper. I notice the office looks pretty clean. Yeah, on the back there, I know that's your own private stash of wrapping material that you can play with. Yeah, you're always guarding that. But other than that, looks pretty clean around there. Yeah, thanks to you. You're always pointing out all the stuff that needs to be cleaned up. Yeah, you make sure it gets done, huh? You're a good office manager, Piper.